Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get glowy skin. So first things first, I like to remove the hair off my face, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So I'm going to be using some aloe vera gel, and then I'm going to use this razor that you can get from the hair store. It has those little ridges on there, and I'm going to put the gel on my face because you don't want to do this on dry skin, and you also want to have a light hand. Now, if you think you're too heavy handed, you can definitely get this done professionally. It's called dermaplaning, and then they will do it for you. But what you want to do is you want to pull the skin back and shave downward very lightly. I like to incorporate this in my skincare routine because it makes my skin brighter. Because when you have that peach fuzz on your face, it can make your skin a little dull. Also, I wear makeup, and when I put my makeup on, if you have the hair on your face, when you put your makeup on, it will show through your makeup. So I like to make sure that my canvas is nice and smooth. Now, I do have sideburns and I do like them, so I'm not going to take those off. But if you have more troubled skin, then you need to see a dermatologist so that they can give you either some cream or some medication that will clear those toxins out, because I'm almost sure that it's probably like scary to shave your face if you have acne prone skin or if you have current acne on your face. And I don't know if y'all can already tell, but my face is already looking much better. And I'm going to show you the hair that comes off my face, because I'm telling y'all, if you think you don't have no hair on your face, go get you a 10-time magnifying mirror and look up in there, and you're going to see that little peach fuzz that I'm talking about. Yeah, go ahead and get that up off there. And I'm showing y'all this skincare routine that I do because I'm telling you, I get so many compliments on my skin, like in real life and on the internet. So I just wanted to share with y'all. See all that hair? Next, I'm going to go in with my La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser. And I like this one. I was using the one in the white bottle, but I like this one because it does suds up more. And then I'm going to use this exfoliating cotton round, and I really like this because this really gets like the dirt and that little dead skin from your T-zone, especially my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and on the side of my nose. And I let my daughter use these too, because when she come home from school, I know that face is dirty and she can see it on that cotton round. So I love this. I love the foam and wash too. I just got it, and I'm really liking it. Now, as you can see, my face was not dirty. Only thing that came up was some hairs. I'm going to take this extra large towelette. I love these things, y'all, because it's so gentle on the skin. It's way better than using towels. All these products that I'm using, you can find these on Amazon. So here is the previous cleanser I was using, and then if you have really troubled skin, this Pan Oxo Acne Foaming Wash, I love this. It works really fast. I'm gonna moisturize my face with this triple moisturizer. This one has SPF in there. The one that I just got done using did not. They both work really good. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. This stuff is expensive. That little bottle was like $27.99. Now this stuff right here, this is the truth. This is my makeup without even wearing makeup. When I put this on, people always tell me your skin is so glowy, it looks so youthful. What do you do? And I'm telling y'all, my skincare routine is not a lot of steps. I do this stuff daily except for shave my face, but everything else I do it every day. Now let me tell y'all my secret. Tea tree oil. This move removes any bump that's trying to come that's there real fast. I put it on my daughter too. You just tap it on there, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. Now here's my skin, nice and glowy. I hope this helps because I know a lot of people ask me, and I'll see you next time. Peace.